Hello, this is a very quick video. This microphone is known as the Sennheiser um, ME80, I believe, ME80. Now, this was given to me thanks to Mr. Rakesh Nagar. I thought he had given me this to fix it, but then he said, "You keep it for your research." How sweet of this guy, really. So this one didn't have the K3U power supply and the preamp. So I decided to make my own. So here it is. So this is what I've done. I've actually created the this is the preamplifier, and this is the microphone, and it works so beautifully. Now, it has the original capsule, but it has my electronics inside. And I'm going to show you something very unique. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I'd never seen this myself. So here we go. Can you see this guy? Woo! Takes away all the space that I have here. Wow, look at it. This guy is basically a microphone. Okay, it's got a capsule. I wonder if you can actually see the capsule in there, which I could show you. Yeah, there it is. Maybe there. Maybe you can see it there. Can you see the capsule there? Oh yeah, you can see the capsule. Oh yeah, look at the capsule. Woohoo! It feels like a trumpet there. Anyway, this is a microphone, a shotgun microphone, and an extremely directional. Now, this too does not have the preamp, so Rakesh Nagar just pulled it out, and it came with the original case, and it's a vintage thing, but I tried it with my preamplifier and it works so beautifully. So can you imagine, this guy will be fitted with my preamplifier like that, and it'll be like that. It'll be as long as this. Woo! Man! But when I tried this, I just need to point, at a specific source, and this guy, it's amazing for wildlife. If you guys do wildlife, this is the microphone for you. Amazing. This microphone is basically a Sennheiser ME88. You don't get this anymore, but if you do, just take it, just buy it. Rakesh Nagar again gave me this. So sweet of him again, and I don't know what to say. I mean, it's amazing.